Ever wondered what the difference is between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy in Alabama? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of bankruptcy laws in the Yellowhammer State. Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, bankruptcy are two distinct legal paths individuals and businesses can take when their financial obligations become too overwhelming. Both have their advantages and disadvantages, and understanding these can be crucial in deciding which route to take. Chapter 7, bankruptcy, often referred to as liquidation bankruptcy, essentially wipes the slate clean. It discharges most of your unsecured debts, such as credit card bills and medical expenses, providing you a fresh financial start. However, some debts are non-dischargeable, including student loans, child support, and certain taxes. Eligibility for Chapter 7 is determined by the means test. If your income is below the median income for a household of your size in Alabama, you qualify. If it's above, you may still qualify depending on your disposable income and debts. Now let's turn our attention to Chapter 13 bankruptcy, also known as debtor's court. Instead of wiping out your debts, Chapter 13 restructures them into a manageable repayment plan that lasts 3 to 5 years. Once you complete the payments, most of your remaining debts are discharged. Anyone can file for Chapter 13, as long as their unsecured debts are below $419,000, and secured debts are less than $1,274,000. The process of filing for both types of bankruptcy is similar. You'll need to complete a credit counseling course, file a petition with the bankruptcy court, attend a meeting of creditors, and complete a financial management course. However, with Chapter 13, you'll also need to propose a repayment plan to the court and attend a confirmation hearing where the judge will either approve or deny your plan. Both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy have a profound impact on your credit. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy will stay on your credit report for 10 years, while a Chapter 13 bankruptcy will stay for 7 years. But don't despair. While these marks will initially lower your credit score, their impact will lessen over time, and you can start rebuilding your credit right away. In a nutshell, Chapter 7. Bankruptcy allows you to discharge most of your debts quickly, but you might have to give up some of your property. On the other hand, Chapter 13 bankruptcy lets you keep your property, but you'll need to stick to a 3 to 5 year repayment plan. So, which one is right for you? Well, that's a decision only you can make, preferably with the help of a professional. Bankruptcy is a complex process, and it's important to understand all the implications before taking the plunge. We hope this comparison has given you a clearer picture of both paths. Remember, financial difficulties can be overwhelming, but you're not alone. There are resources and professionals out there ready to help you navigate these stormy waters. So take a deep breath and remember, every storm runs out of rain eventually.